Hello everyone. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back loosely and then roll the hair in on itself. Take two sections after this and roll one over the other. Tie it up towards the left side and the right side accordingly. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now take one section of the hair, braid it and insert it into the initial fold that you have created. Do the same with the right side as well. Tie a ponytail with the hair left at the bottom, make two braids out of it and wrap it around. Start off by tying a ponytail, then take a sock and then roll it up as such. Wrap it around the hair. Take two small sections of it, roll it one on top of the other and then wrap it around the hair. Wrap it around the rubber band of the sock that you have used. Do this all around. Take a very small section of the hair from the middle and then begin to braid it. Tie a rubber band at the base. Now, using this particular stick, pull different sections of the hair from either side through this braid. This is what it should look like. Do this until you reach the bottom or the base and then add a decorative clip. Next, start off by tying a low ponytail. Add a rubber band at the base as well and then roll the hair in on itself. As for the base, start off by braiding the hair. Roll this entire thing upwards. Tie a ponytail, then add a rubber band in the middle. Make a hole in the middle and then push the hair through. Make two divisions, wrap it around in the form of a bun. Tie it up as such. Tie another rubber band at the bottom as well and then wrap this around the initial bun you have created. Tie a low ponytail, make a hole through it and then pull the hair through. Tie another rubber band in the middle, lift it up and tie it up as such. Tie another rubber band at the base, wrap it all around. Take the upper section of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it at the back. Roll the hair in on itself from bottom to top. Divide this portion into two sections and then braid it. Now taking the rest of the hair, twist it on the left side, loosen it using your fingers. Make two more divisions of this. Tie it up at the back more towards the left side and roll it in on itself. Do this with 4 to 5 more sections until you reach the base and then tie a rubber band. Divide the hair into 3 sections and then braid the hair. Roll it upwards. Start off by tying a ponytail, then take a small section of the hair from this ponytail and then begin to braid it. Use your fingers to loosen one side of this ponytail and then wrap it around the top. Take another section and make another braid out of it and once more wrap it around the top. Continue to do this for all of the layers. Take two sections from either side of the hair, tie it up at the back. Tie a rubber band in the middle as such. Make a hole in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Lift it up, pull the hair through and then once more tie it up. Take a small section from the left side and then take another small section from the middle section. Begin to braid the hair using it. Tie it up once you reach the middle. Do the same with the right side. Thank you for watching.